everyone, we're Baden Dreams. Welcome to the first video tutorial on how to make your unique logo.
What is a logo? Good question. What is a logo?
A logo is an image. More than an image, it's a symbol that represents your project's mission and your fellowship club's website or book identity. When you're defining a logo, remember that logos aren't just images. Think Google, FedEx, Disney, and even Coca-Cola. By varying the font and or the color, you can come up with some really cool options. Your logo is the start of your branding. It will help you pick colors and fonts and style for your website and YouTube videos. Many organizations will design a couple of options and then test it with their members, customers, and more. It's the best practice that we highly recommend.
There are 4 rules to a good logo: simple, memorable, original, and relevant. You put it on your t-shirt. You put it on a mouse pad, or an apron, or a poster.
What we want in the end is pretty specific. You'll need a flare, 512 by 512 pixel, 300 ppi JPEG image with a colored background.
You can always refer back to Dr. Ellen's video about Photoshop. Let's take a look at some of the other logos completed in the lab. Monthly BATV Dragon News, Baden Academy Chess Club, Dragon Tags, Baden Academy Nerd Battalion, Baden Academy Origami Club. Are you noticing that a lot of the Baden Academy clubs use the Baden Academy colors of red and white? Some of them also use our mascot of a dragon.
But not all. Give a kid a compliment. MG Kids, Sun Superheroes, Organized Kids. We can't wait to see what your logos become.